Magic 89.9.
Today's Most Music Magic 89.9. Daniel Paringit. The song's called Hanggang Tumanda, and I've been teasing that he is live here in the booth with us with incredible vocals and a guitar that's ready to perform for all of you. Hi, Daniel.
Hello.
Hey, welcome to Magic.
Hello. Kumusta kayong lahat?
So nice to have you here. I heard you only had 2 hours of sleep. How was that?
Sobrang saya kasi ng show kagabi. Gusto ko lang din batian sila Lynn Lapid, Isabel Cuevas, Elise Wang, tsaka Aika. Hello. Dito na ako sa radyo ngayon, guys.
He made it, guys! Was that the conversation last night? Like, makakagising ka ba?
Makakagising ba? Sinasabi na, wag na matulog. Diretso ka na doon.
Grabe naman. 11 pa naman. But in fairness sa'yo, you made it on time and early and ready to perform. It's so nice to have you here, Daniel.
Sobrang saya ko rin na andito ako ngayon.
Is it your first time in Magic?
First time.
Oh, nice! For those listening on playback.tv/magic899 as well as on Facebook, or those listening on air, we have Daniel Paringit here with his latest track. So sweet, this one, by the way. I know what it's about. I love it so much. The emotional depth and your guitar-driven sound is absolutely incredible. What inspired you to write Hanggang Tumanda?
Meron kasi ako crush nung college. Tapos, fiancé ko na siya ngayon.
Hey!
Actually, nung sinulat ko yung kanta na yun, parang part of the plan lang talaga na magpo-propose ako. December last year. Kasi usually, yung partner ko, inaasikaso niya ako sa career ko.
Para siyang manager.
Pero, tulong ba? Parang she's working with my record label. Tas, naisip ko na sakto, bagong release, mabibusy siya. Parang lahat iisipin niya, magpo-promote lang ng music na.
So, parang distraction lang tong kantang to.
So, parang iniisip ko, parang sana isipin niya, na inisip niya nga na yung inaayos niyang single launch ko, di niya alam, doon na pala ako magpo-propose. Parang inaayos niya pala yung sarili niyang proposal.
What? Wait a second. You bamboozled her. Parang you surprised her with her own work. Pati yung proposal siya yung may hawak pala. But did you write this in college or was this like recent?
Nito lang, last December lang.
Wow!
Nasulat.
And then when did you propose?
July 8? July 8 ba?
Hindi mo na matanda.
June 8. Masyadong mabilis yung
Your jowa jowa is outside. She's like, hindi mo na alam. June, ang dami nang nangyari.
Madami nang nangyari.
Was it like a nerve-wracking feeling or was it a long time coming? How was it like proposing in front of people? I saw the video on YouTube and you had a speech and everything. Nakalimutan mo ba yung speech?
Yeah.
How was it?
Actually, yung original plan was pag tinugtog ko yung Hanggang Tumanda, doon na ako magpro-propose. Sobrang kaba ko, 3 beses ko nang inuulit yung kanta, hindi ko pa rin nagagawa mag-propose. So parang sinasabi ko din sa mga tao, hindi, retake para maganda yung live performance video. Pero yung totoo nun, sobrang kaba ko, hindi ko lahat ng naisip ko, lahat ng nilagay ko sa notes ko, lahat ng prepare ko, pati yung speech, wala lahat. Pati yung lyrics ng kanta.
Nagmamali-mali na yung lyrics.
Nalalaglag sa utak ko. Iba yung pakiramdam. As in, iba talaga yung pakiramdam. Parang akala mo prepared ka. As in, akala mo na prepare mo lahat. Pero pag nandun ka na sa moment na yun, parang wild.
Nagplangko na.
Diba?
Wow, I love that. Do you ever get nervous for performances or this is the only performance na parang this is real nervous?
Never nawala yung kaba sa akin. Ngayon nga kinakabahan ako.
Talaga?
Parang lagi akong kinakabahan pero iba yun. Parang mga times 300,000 yun.
Grabe. Well, I'm glad she said yes, because that would have been more nerve-wracking and it would have been a failed YouTube video. That's gonna be like the performance video or music video for this one, or what is it for?
Yun yung official live performance video, yung kasama yung proposal. Pero ang isa yun sa pinaka-paborito ko kasi ang raw niya. Tapos parang hindi perfect yung vocals Pero pag narinig mo, parang alam mo na kinakabahan talaga ako. Tsaka para siyang kasama sa build-up nung papunta sa proposal. Sana mapanood nyo guys. Hanapin nyo lang Hanggang Tumanda live performance.
Hey, it's out already, right? Just like
The
3 days
Proposal
ago.
Day.
Iba pa to.
Hanggang Tumanda, The Proposal Day.
The Proposal Day,
Ang
guys.
saya nun. Sobrang saya nung gabi na yun.
Ang kilig ng mga tao. And they're like screaming.
Hindi lahat may alam eh. As in, so, lahat ng taong nandun, akala din nila single launch lang. Onti lang yung may alam from my record label sa EMI Philippines. Onti lang din sa friends ko. As in, DP team lang yung may alam. DP boys. Yun.
Sabay-sabay na surprise.
Sabay-sabay na surprise.
I love that. Pati ikaw na surprise sa sarili mo kasi mali-mali yung lyrics mo.
yung Hanggang Tumanda rin kasi parang I dedicate the song to my day ones. So as in yung mga lahat ng taong hindi nawala kahit walang-wala ka. Kahit na hindi maganda yung nangyayari, andyan pa rin sila. So parang ang perfect lang talaga nung gabi na yun, yung Hanggang Tumanda, The Proposal Day. Kasi andun yung friends namin, may onting relatives na hindi naman nila alam na magpo-propose ako pero andun sila. So parang andun lang talaga sila siguro to support and show some love. Kaya, ayun. Thank you guys.
Parang it's also like an ode to your fans, no? Grabe. Ang sweet naman. It's at least na double meaning for this. So you're hitting 2 birds with 1 stone. I wanted to ask as well, in writing and composing this track, what was your favorite part in producing it? Because the guitar parts are incredible. May electric guitar, there's acoustic guitar. How was it like? What was your favorite part about it?
Favorite part ko, mayroon pala akong music director, producer, si Cluster Nang. Nung nasa studio kami, yung favorite part ko was, ito yung first track na di namin inisip. Parang ginam lang talaga namin. Ano yung feeling ng kanta? From the lyrics, from the demo. Parang ano yung lalabas ng natural from the song. So, yun siya. Tas nung ginagawa na namin siya, parang isang araw lang ata namin natapos siya. Kasama yung pag-arrange ni Cluster. So parang ang natural lahat. Para bang regalo siya sa akin ng Diyos na ito na yung kanta mo tapos mag-propose ka na. Parang gano'n. Tsaka chill lang. Very, very straightforward. Ito yung isang track ko na wala masyadong effects, wala masyadong risers, walang mga ganun. Parang straight up lang, parang drums, bass, 2 electric guitar, tas kanta ka na. Ganun lang siya.
Parang it's very personal nga.
Very personal.
Are there other versions of this track? Other versions that might come out? A raw version? Acoustic? Ano
Ngayon, gagawin ko siya. Mag-acoustic ako ngayon.
Hey! So we get the first look. Or yesterday.
Kagabi pala, nag-acoustic lang ako kagabi kasama si Cluster Nang. Pero may piano yung kagabi nakasama. Pero
so
ngayon,
ito yung super.
Ito yung una na acoustic ko lang.
Oh my God, we're special guys. So for those listening, this is the first time he's playing the acoustic version of the song Hanggang Tumanda. Can we get the song?
Let's go.
Hey. Okay, we're hyping each other because he didn't sleep much. I slept a lot, so you got the energy, you got the vibe. Hanggang Tumanda here on Magic 89.9.
Let's go. Ako ikaw, kahit kailan di bumitaw, o habang buhay ay ikaw lang at ikaw lang mahal. Di makapaniwala, kahit ako'y walang wala. Ikaw ang kasayaw, hanggang di na tayo makagalaw. Kahit sa pagluha o pagtawa ay ikaw. Hanggang tumanda, kahit ang lahat na'y mawala, makita ko lang ako sa iyong mga mata. Ang puso ko'y sayong sayo, bang gustong makita? Kundi ang mga ngiti sa iyong mga mata. Di makapaniwala kahit ako'y walang-wala. Ikaw ang kasiyahan hanggang di na tayo makagalaw. Kahit sa pagluha o pagtawa ay ikaw. Hanggang tumanda, kahit ang lahat na'y mawala, makita ko lang ako sa iyong mga mata. Makita ko lang ako sa iyong mga mata. Makita ko lang ako sa iyong mga mata.
Hey!
Thank you.
Daniel Paringit, everybody. We have our own Junior Jock JJ is listening. He was there at your gig last night.
Talaga?
Solid daw nung gig mo.
Maraming. As in solid talaga kagabi.
The hype was real daw.
Thank you for being there.
Yeah, no, that's so much fun. I'm sure this is so much fun with a live band and drums and everything, and people crying and like hugging their significant others.
Usually full band talaga ako nagpa-perform. As in recent lang na nag-acoustic ako para mas marami rin makarinig.
Gets.
Ngayon may binubuo akong project na pickup truck.
What's that?
Pang camping na pickup.
Oh, literal pickup truck.
Ang pangalan niya sa TikTok ay si Rocky. So parang meron ako series ngayon, Rocky Restoration. So parang binubuo ko siya now para mapuntahan ko yung mga fans na basta kaya by land. Yun pala. Basta kahit saan.
Pupunta ka sa Baguio, ganon.
G talaga.
Wow, wait, that's
kaya
cool.
Naka-acoustic lang ako.
Can you also perform in the back of the truck? That's the goal, right? Yun yung goal. Wait, how far are you from completing it?
Mga nasa 80%.
Oh my gosh, that's so cool. Wait lang. I want to see how it looks like. How do we follow you on TikTok to follow that journey?
At Daniel Paringit.
At Daniel
So ko lang malaman ng fans na lahat ng pagod ko doon. As in ako yung nagbibuild eh. As in,
wow.
As in ako din na nagpipintura. Kasama ko yung mga mekaniko, nagme-mekaniko. Para talaga makapunta ako sa kanila.
So if you weren't an artist or a singer or songwriter, would you be like in cars? Is that the passion?
Pag pinalo niyo ako sa TikTok, wag kayong malito pag marami kayong nakitang kotse-kotse doon. Ako pa rin 'yon. Ginagawa ko lang 'yun din para magawa ko tong music. So for supporting, maraming sumusuporta dun sa pagkotse-kotse.
That's cool. No, I like that because I feel like it's like creating a new song, 'di ba? Parang bibigyan ka ng snippet and we feel like we're part of the journey of you building. So that's cool. I like that series. Let me follow you online because I want to see that. Saan kaya yung first performance mo? Sana sa Metro Manila.
Na-try ko sa Antipolo.
Ooh.
At nung na-secure kasi yung permit nun sa Sumulong Park, hindi pa, ayaw umandar.
Ay!
So hindi ko nadala si Rocky noon. Kaya sorry sa mga... Ang kulit kasi may mga pumunta hindi pa may music. Gusto nila makita si Rocky yung pick up pero hindi ko siya nadala. Pero babalik ako sa Antipolo for sure.
Sige. So naka-park ka or parang ano to, like mayor ka ba? Like like alam mo yun na umaandar habang nagpe-play or are you parked?
Magpa-park ka.
Okay. Thank you for clarifying. I love that because then if nag-move siya, kailangan nag-move din yung mga tao. Thank you so much, Daniel. Thank you for sharing your lovely voice and of course the guitar work. I look forward to your live performances. Grabe. There's so much to look forward to. Do you have anything lined up this year apart from that?
Sa Monday, nasa Trinity kami. Ako lang pala, mag-isa lang ako ulit.
Acoustic ulit?
Medyo acoustic. magma-1 plus electric guitar ako sa Trinity kasi parang Freshie Day nila. Tapos abangan nyo lang matapos si Rakitas, tara pupunta ako sa inyo. May mga nag-comment na napunta daw nga akong Baguio, sa Bulacan, sa Cavite. G talaga, as in pupuntahan ko talaga kayo.
That's really cool. And you're combining both passions, di ba? Para makarating sa fans mo. I think that's absolutely beautiful. And having this song already, meron ka ng pang SDE for your wedding or your, di ba? So again, incredible song. I'm sure other people would like to use it as well. Have you seen your songs in the past?
Meron na akong mga nakita, mga tatlo siguro ginamit nila sa SDE tsaka prenup.
Oh, that's so cool. That's so cool. Yeah. More of that. Tag niyo siya if you use it. Oh, I always ask this question too because this song is so heartfelt and it's really from your own personal experience. If this song was in a movie, what would the story be and who would be the actors? Napaisip ka?
Ang story, siguro yung binibuild nila together yung buhay from walang-wala talaga. As in literal lang talaga rin siya. Sorry, naalala ko lang kagabi. Diba sabi ko nga parang 4 a.m. na kami natapos kagabi. Yes. Ito, feel ko gusto ko gawing movie. Sobrang drama ng driver ko kasi pauwi na kami. Hinatid namin si Isabel. Biglang pinapatugtog niya hanggang tumanda. Tapos ang random sabi sa akin ni Kuya Ruel, shout out pala sa'yo. Sabi niya bigla parang, alam mo sir, yung kanta mo, yan yung kanta ng love story ko sabi niya. Kasi parang 17 years na raw silang kasal. Tapos nag-start sila from nothing. As in, yung pagkain lang daw nila, tinanong ko naman sa kanya kung pwede tayo kwento. Yung food daw nila noon, kanin plus chicheria. Tapos parang as in, ang hirap daw talaga ng buhay nila. Pero hanggang ngayon, 17 years straight, sila pa rin. So parang kahit walang-wala sila, pinipili nilang maging together. Ang saya lang din na parang yun din yung nafe-feel ko nung sinulat ko yung kanta na parang nung time na nasulat ko rin siya parang walang-wala rin ako. Being an artist, minsan iniisip ng ibang tao parang laging marami. Lagi kang meron. Being an artist parang minsan meron, pero madalas rin wala.
I get that.
Pero tuloy yung buhay, alam mo yun, parang may bills kang binabayaran. Yes. Hindi yun natatapos. Tapos nung time na yun, parang walang-wala ako. So parang, ayun,
the show
never
must go
nawala
on.
Yung fiancé. Hindi pa ako sanay. Hindi pa ako sanay.
You hesitated like, wala pa yung fiancé.
Fiancé na pala. Baka magalit pag tinawag kong jowa
Hindi. Fiancé era na siya. So congrats, Daniel. Meron ka na ulit. Meron ka parate because you have a fiancé and may bago kang kanta.
Kaya ako nasabi sa song yung makita ko lang ako sa yung mga mata na parang at the end of the day yun pala yung nagmamatter na sa akin now.
That's your why.
Yun yung why ko.
Hey, so sweet. Thank you, Daniel.
Thank you.
Again, how can we follow you online and if you have any other shows coming up very soon?
Follow niyo ako sa Instagram. Sa TikTok, mas marami akong ina-upload sa TikTok. At Daniel Paringit. Sa Facebook page naman at Daniel Paringit Music. Sana follow niyo rin ako sa Spotify tsaka sa YouTube. Hanapin niyo lang Daniel Paringit. Tsaka pakinggan niyo yung latest single ko, Hanggang Tumanda. Para yun sa day ones natin. And dinededicate ko rin pala siya. Kasama ko ngayon sa mama ko. And thank you rin sa handler ko, sa manager ko, si Lawrence. Andito ngayon kasama sa studio. Sa fiancé ko, Raina, my loves. So sweet, so strong. Good morning sa atin. Thank you for always being there. Through ups and downs talaga. As in. So, ayun sa mga magjowa dyan, sa magfiancé, sa mga married dyan. Sana pakinggan niyo yung Hanggang Tumanda.
Tapos yung mga single dyan, sana ma-inspire din kayo sana na merong walang hanggan.
May walang hanggan. Saka meron ang goal, mamimit niyo yung tao na yun na makita lang din nila yung sarili nila sa mga mata niyo. Yun yung parang goal nila. Tsaka sasamahan talaga kayo hanggang tumanda kahit anong mangyari.
That's beautiful. Inspirational. Yes. Thank you, Danielle.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. And thank you for sharing your awesome song. If you missed out on the interview and that live performance, it is going to be posted on our Facebook page. Magic 89.9 is going to be the first streamed post there. Again, thank you, Danielle.
Thank you, Hannah.
Come back soon when you have a new song, new album. Baka naman. See you this year, I think.
See you this year.
That's all we're going to say. Yeah. So that awesome song is being brought to you by Nor Liquid Seasoning. Luto to plato, sarap panalo with Nor Liquid Seasoning. I got another request through playback.tv/magic899 for Beyonce.
Magic 89.9.